Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join huddles or voice calls in Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. All you will be needing to do is to simply click on the huddle icon on Slack so you can join any voice call. And basically you can do that either for groups call or groups huddles, or you can do it in the channel huddles. So simply, you can go to the channel where you want to join the huddle, and from there, you will be needing just to click on the huddle icon. So as you can see, in my case, I will be starting the huddle, and it will be the same thing. So basically, if there were already like the members of this channel were already in a huddle, you will find it as this. So it will be something that means they are already in a huddle, and then you will be able to click on join huddle, and basically you will be added to the huddle. And the same would be for user groups or for Slack groups. And now in the huddle you will be able to start like enabling your camera, like having emojis, like also you can have more action like inviting people to the huddle and start like having many features that you can use. Also you can start sharing your screen, etc, etc. And simply after like finishing the huddle and everything is okay, you will be able to simply leave by clicking on leave, and also you can start like chatting inside this voice call. So basically you can start like have a conversation, and as you can see we are already in the huddle and we having this conversation here. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.